and offering lots of charitable services in the previous lives. This is the divine affinity with God. 3. To administer with beneficences and welfare work as well. 4. To meet the introducer and guarantor who indicate the way to attain Tao to me. It is very likely that, in the previous lives, we did charitable services together, or we cultivated together in the same religion. So, in this life, one does a little. We can help each other out and practice Tao together again. So time is right for Tao due to our divine affinity. DI. What impact does receiving DAO have on me? As we mentioned before, and like the old days when hermits had to leave their family to receive